In the design process, you kind of have an idea of what you want, but it has to come together with everything. I'm Suzanne Hargett, Independent Design, and this is the Bailey project. I work with Granite division for the countertops in the house. The kitchen has two really big islands, and we chose to use two different granites. One is Splendor White and the other one's Antique Brown, which happens to be my favorite. The master bathroom came together with the Kairos, which we found in Dallas. It went very well with the stone that we had brought in from Italy. It's just gorgeous. I mean, it pulls everything together. Granite division, they have a great selection. You know, the possibilities of granite are limitless. You know, they warned me that it would be a difficult job, and I didn't have a doubt that they couldn't pull it off. So I was really happy to see the outcome because it was gorgeous.